these are the 10 that I actually use every single day of
Check out this small space sleeper sofa I bought on with its adjustable backrest, providing a sense of security where they're rolling back, transforming into a lounger that's perfect for reading. Simply fold in the footrest to transform it into a secret small sofa with customizable cushion and backrest. Linking it for you now. This magical rocking chair I ordered on surprised me a lot. It's super easy to install with its installation manual. The steel frame looks well made. It's a nest for napping, joy for rocking, and listening to music. Perfect for reading, giving myself the gift of rest and being. This is not your grandma's rocking chair.
I just got this 3-in-1 sofa bed and it's a game changer. It's super easy to switch it from a cozy sofa to a comfy bed to a relaxing lounger. Space-saving, stylish, and oh so versatile. Check it out on Temu and add more options to your space.
For those of you who travel a lot and want a mobile PC experience, then this is a foldable, full-size wireless keyboard for your phone or tablet. It is a full 10-key keyboard and it even has a mouse pad. All you need to do is connect it through Bluetooth and it is compatible with all Apple or Android devices.
This overbed table from Temu is absolutely what I want. It's perfect because it's super easy to install. It has wheels so you can move it around and it's so convenient for you to work on your bed. It's 39 inches tall and 71 inches wide, which can be used with your queen size bed. You can also just use it as a desk. Such a great...
I just got this amazing recliner sofa chair. I'm obsessed. It's so easy to install. Just follow the directions and put it together. It's not just any chair. It's a reclining swivel chair with soothing vibration massage, a warming heated function, and power rocking for the ultimate relaxation. And the side pocket is perfect for keeping my essentials close by. This chair is the perfect blend of comfort and style, making it an ideal addition to any living room. If you're looking to upgrade your space, you've got to check
So I got this LED light-up sideboard cabinet the other day and it has really become the centerpiece of my room. There's so much shelf room in this thing that I can pretty much put everything I have inside it. Oh, did I mention that it can also charge your phone with its built-in charging station? You can even change the color of the lighting depending on your mood.
and has 3 dimmable LED light settings. It has a wireless charging station and 2 USB ports to accommodate all your devices. It has a shelf, 2 spacious drawers, and a built-in workstation that can be tilted and rotated to act as a bedside table. The height can also be adjusted, and it comes with optional wheels so you can easily move it around your home.
Look at what I found recently on Truly Excellent Lazy Sofa that can completely conform to any body curve. Each part can be individually adjusted, and the thick sponges provide ample support for my back and waist, making it a truly zero-gravity experience.
Guys, do you know what this is? It's 3 laundry baskets. Seems like such an obvious idea to have a nice surface above them. Look, they slide out like drawers for filling. And there are 3 of them so you can separate your laundry loads. When it's washing time, you can take these all the way out to load the washer.